Okay, Girish says the answer is option 4. Yes, let's try. Some schools are colleges. Some schools are colleges. Some colleges are offices. So this is the basic diagram. Okay, I am drawing the diagram with minimal overlapping. All offices are buildings. So this buildings is a bigger set. And then at least some buildings are schools. Can be or cannot be true. This set can be drawn like this also, or like how I have drawn. Correct? So it is not a definite conclusion. Does not follow. Okay, yeah, wait. Now next, no building is a school. Now again, when you look at these statements separately, correct, you feel that both don't follow. But what you have to see here is that these two given conclusions, right, they are complementary pair. What is a complementary pair? If this conclusion is true, then this is false. Else if this is true, then this is false. Correct? So if some buildings are schools, right, let us say if this this set buildings was like this, if some buildings are school, then the second conclusion, no building is school, is definitely false. Similarly, if no building is school is true, then at least some buildings are school is definitely false. So I can say that either there has to be only two possible cases, correct? Either some buildings are schools or no building is a school. So these two are called as complementary pair, where if one is true, the other is false, and if the other is true, the first one is false. So here my answer will be option D, if either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. So whenever the conclusions are given, just check once if there is any complementary pair, right? Because we might actually just try out, check each conclusion separately and say no, both are wrong, and these are not definite conclusions, and you might choose an answer. Don't do that. Remember, here it is a complementary pair, so either one will be true, that is option D. Yes. All fruits are vegetables. All vegetables are delicious. No water is delicious. How do you draw the basic diagram for this? All fruits are vegetables. All vegetables are delicious. Oh. All vegetables are delicious. No water is delicious. No water is delicious. So this is the basic diagram. Yes, for this question all of you are giving me the answer as B. Let us look at the first conclusion. All delicious being fruits is a possibility. All delicious being fruits is a possibility. Yes, this fruits can be a set like this, no? It can be a set like this, which along with delicious. Similarly, veg also can be a set like that. So this is definitely a possibility. Next one. Some vegetables are water. No, definitely they have given that no, delicious is water, and vegetable is actually coming inside the set delicious. So some vegetables are water is not true. Definitely not true. Does not follow. Third one. No fruit is water. No fruit is water is true. No fruit is water. You can very clearly see no fruit is water. That's true. So here 1 and 3 follow, and only 2 does not follow. So the correct answer here is option B. Only 2 does not follow. So why are some of you giving me the answer as option D? Again, see, that's the why are you saying 1 and 2 don't follow? Option B should be the answer. Only 2 does not follow. See, conclusion 1 and 3 follow, 2 does not follow. Yeah. Hope it's clear. So next question is on syllogisms. Some mobiles are laptop. No desktop is a mobile. All CPUs are desktops. At least some laptops are mobiles. All desktops being CPU is a possibility. All mobiles being desktop is a possibility. So how, let's draw the diagram for this. What is given? Some mobiles are laptop. No desktop is a mobile. No desktop is a mobile. All CPUs are desktops. All CPUs are desktop. So this is the figure that you get, basic diagram that you get. Now let us look at the conclusion. At least some laptops are mobiles. At least some laptops are mobile. Yes, that is a correct conclusion, correct? Because there is an overlapping between laptops and mobile. At least means, that means some. So this is true. All desktops being CPU is a possibility. All desktops being CPU definitely is a possibility, correct? CPU can be a set like this also. That's a valid possibility. That's also true. All mobiles being desktop is a possibility. No. Can mobiles be desktop? We already know that no desktop is a mobile. So all mobiles being desktop is definitely not a possibility. So this option does not follow. So what is the answer for this question? See here, conclusion 1 and 2 follow and conclusion 3 does not follow. So the correct answer is if only conclusion 3 does not follow. That is option C. By mistake, please don't mark answer as option D, because generally in statement in syllogism question, what do we see? They will ask if conclusion follow, if conclusion 2 follows, if conclusion 3 follows, and so on. Here they have said does not follow in the options. So just read it correctly. Don't do careless mistake and say that the answer is option D, thinking that option D they are saying if both 1 and 2 follow. They are saying 1 and 2 do not follow. Correct answer here is option C, only conclusion 3 does not follow. So these were the questions on syllogisms that came in the last week AIM. See, I think last week AIM reasoning section was fairly easy. Not too many tricky questions. Try this one. What is given here? Some triangles are circles. Some triangles are circles. Some circles are rectangles. And some rectangles are polygons, and some polygons are sphere. So basically I am trying to draw the basic diagram here with minimal overlapping. What is the first conclusion? Some spheres are circles. Some spheres are circles. Is there an intersection between sphere and circle? Right now in this basic diagram it's not there. It can have also, it cannot have also. We are not sure. So it is not a definite conclusion. Does not follow. Some polygons are circles. Again, some polygons are circles. The sets polygons and circles can have an intersection between them or cannot have. In the basic diagram it does not have. So this conclusion also does not follow. It's not definite. Some rectangles are triangles. Again, some rectangles are triangles, can be true, cannot be true, not a definite conclusion. Does not follow. Correct answer for this will be none follows. That is option B.